Hi, here we have the latest AMGO one-post lift supplied in the UK by equipmentforgarages.com. The model is E4G SML3000 mobile lift with a 3-ton lifting capacity. The key features of this lift, other than being one-post and mobile, is an impressive 85 mm lifting pad height, which is allegedly the world's lowest pad height for one-post lift. And the other key features is the inner Bionic Arms. The arms, being bionic, give advanced adaptability across a diverse range of vehicles, not seen on many other post-mobile lifts. Other features include single-level lock release operating a double lock system and screw-height lift pads. The weight of this lift is 780 kilograms and can be easily moved around with a pallet-jack design on a flat surface. Out of interest, we do offer a fixed one-post lift, and it can be found on our website, equipmentforgarages.com. One last thing, remember to check the height of your facility, because the main post has a 2.8 meters height. For any further information, check our website or simply WhatsApp us on the number shown on the screen. And until the next one, goodbye.